Hey y'all, it's me, Marty. Welcome to another video. Quick little video here. I wasn't even planning this, but I thought I'm making something on my Scrollsaw, so I decided to show you this quick. And I've shown you these things before, but just want to show you the uniqueness of the Scrollsaw. First of all, amazing things you can do on a Scrollsaw to do woodworking, but especially compound cutting. And I want to show you two quick things here. Well, actually three, and then I'm just going to show you how it's really amazing how it works. So like this here, and a couple of these are Steve Good designs. I'm making a couple of these kind of in honor and memory of him, and they're a couple of my favorite things to make. And other people do them too and stuff. But this is here. This is Live the Moment. And this is made out of 1.5 by 1.5 poplar, and you cut one side, and then you cut the other side, and it's really amazing how it works. It's just really kind of cool. Another thing is the simple 3D reindeer, and I've made these for years. So you cut one side, and then you cut the other, and it's three-dimensional. 3D compound cutting is really fun. So this is the horizontal type of 3D compound cutting, but then there's also the vertical, and I just made one here. And it's still taped together here, but I thought I'd show you as I take it apart how it works. So basically it says Jesus that way and lives that way. I hope I'm doing that the right direction. Sometimes I do it backwards. And then you just take apart the pieces. It's really amazing how it works. And it's taped because you got to retape. You cut one side, and then you got to kind of retape it so it doesn't fall apart. And this is out of 1.5 by 1.5 pine. It's actually a 2 by 2, which is 1.5 by 1.5. See if I can get it out apart without breaking it. I've broken them before. You got to be really careful. They come off in pieces, basically. 3D compound cutting is just amazing. It's really amazing how it works. And that, for the most part, most of the time, things don't break. Let's see if I can do it here. They kind of slide apart. Okay. I'm just dropping pieces on the floor as I'm doing here. Okay, and let's see here. Okay, almost got it. That, and then it's really it's a puzzle. It really is a puzzle, and it comes apart. I think it's like 9 pieces when you take the whole thing apart, really. We're almost there. Okay, hopefully I'll show it to you the right way. Jesus lives. Hopefully I'm showing you that right. Or is it that way? No, I think it's that way. Okay, that looks right. Jesus lives. Jesus lives. Hopefully I'm doing that right. Well, one of those ways was right, I'm sure. Pretty amazing, and that's what it looks like from the top. Just absolutely amazing how this works. It's just fun. This took me about 10 minutes. It's not hard. Take your time. Once you learn it, it's fun. And so again, I like there's the horizontal type of 3D compound cutting, and then there's the vertical, and something really cool about the vertical too. So yeah, it's just amazing how that works. So yeah, Jesus lives. I think I'm doing it right. Sometimes my picture is backwards, so hopefully that's right. Jesus lives, or Jesus lives. One of those was right. Anyway, you know what I'm trying to say here. Another thing I'll touch on just real quick here. I want to make this a short video. I do not do paper patterns. You know me. I'm a unique person and all around, but I'm a unique Scrollsaw woodworker. I don't do things like everybody does. I like to be unique and different. For many years, I've been scrollsawing for 35, 40 years, and I started making templates many years ago out of 1/8 inch tempered hardboard, or just regular hardboard. Tempered works good because it's smoother, and it's like $10 for an 4x8 sheet. You can make thousands of patterns out of one sheet. Or hundreds anyway. And I have them hanging all over my shop. You've seen all the patterns and templates I have. And I like to make them. If there's a really hard project, I'll use a paper pattern. But for the most part, I like to make templates because templates, you just trace it on the wood. You don't have, there's not the expense and time and work of printing off a pattern and gluing it on, taping it on, painter's tape and the clear packing tape. And then you have to take off the tape and the adhesive and all the different things. It's all a waste and time. I just like to make templates. And even for this project, it works. Okay. So Jesus lives. Hopefully I'm doing that right direction. So you put Jesus on one side of the wood and you put lives on the other side. Oh, wait. Is it that way? Or is it that way? That looks right to me, but now the words on my shirt are backwards. Jeez. I think that's probably right. Does that look right? I'll know when I look at the video. But anyway, you know what I'm trying to say. Just trace the template onto your wood. Cut it out. There's no pattern or tape or adhesive or anything to take off. And I just like doing things like that. So, and you can even do it for 3D compound cutting. You know, I have other ones too. Well, they're hanging all over. I got thousands of patterns and templates. But I just thought I'd show you that. Pretty cool how it comes out. Let's see if I can do this. So that should be right. Jesus, because my shirt is backwards, so this should be backwards, so it's frontwards for you. Jesus. No. I think, okay, let's try this again. Jesus lives. Jesus lives. I think that's right. I think I might have had it backwards before. Anyway, pretty amazing how it works. The Scrollsaw is amazing. Amazing woodworking tool, and it's so fun. And but yeah, I didn't know if I was going to get out in the shop this home time, but I thought I'm going to take a little time today, and I actually have a bunch of projects in the works, just simple things, my word art and different things, and a couple of gifts and stuff. So I'm actually going to do a video tomorrow showing you all the things that I've made today. Just a bunch of little things, but just to show you how fun Scrollsaw woodworking can be. Anyway, it's warming up. Spring is springing. Yeah, we got some more snow, and it was cold, but now it's like 37 right now, and it's going to be 40s and 50s tomorrow, 60s, 70s is going to get too warm pretty quick, but spring is springing. Anyway, quick video for you. I hope you're all doing well, and yeah, get out in your shop and make some sawdust and just enjoy creating things out of wood, and you can make lots of wonderful gifts. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. It'll be tomorrow.